Hello everyone, today I'm super excited to reveal a simple cooking secret to you. I want you to know that new varieties and options of recipes are available now. Diets are changing and healthy eating is now a lifestyle. So recipes are created to satisfy and nourish at the same time. Many people want less or no carbohydrates in their diet, and that is why I'm showing you how whole wheat flour can be used to make your delicious sausage rolls. Today's recipe is perfect in that category. You're going to enjoy two recipes side by side so you can understand that changing or adding a few ingredients to a meal is not a taboo or a crime. We have a flour version and also the wheat version. Same filling, same technique. Here we go. Get your flour, whole wheat flour, baking powder, butter, cold water, salt, egg, sausage, mixed spices, chopped onions, garlic, and pepper. First, let's start with the whole wheat flour recipe. In your bowl, add 3 cups of whole wheat flour, a quarter spoon of salt, 1 cup of butter, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix together to form a crumb. Then add your cold water gradually till well combined. Please don't make it too hard. You want a soft sausage roll, not dense, because wheat can be a bit dry since it doesn't have enough elasticity from the gluten. Set it aside and let it rest while you mix the beef sausage. In a bowl, mix your sausage, spices, chopped onions, pepper, and garlic together. Then crack your eggs and whisk for the egg wash. It's time to roll and fill. You can see the wheat dough is not too dry. Roll it long enough, then start filling with your sausage and roll it into a log shape now. This is going to be a very fluffy, soft sausage rolls. Seal with your egg wash, then cut into pieces and make holes with your fork. Brush with more egg wash, place in your already buttered and floured tray and into the oven to bake. When you're done, time for the flour sausage roll. In another bowl, add 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of butter, a quarter spoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, and gradually add your cold water. Can you see it is basically just the same recipe, the same technique, but just one ingredient makes the difference. Now to fill, just roll out the dough and use the same filling and technique as the previous one and bake. Here you have it, delicious soft sausage rolls, fluffy, and the garlic, pepper, onion sausage is delicious. Come closer. This whole wheat sausage roll is filled with fiber, so good. And when you look at both sausage rolls, they look almost alike. The whole wheat flour is basically fiberful, and you are not missing anything by choosing your fiber over carbohydrates. Never be discouraged or unhappy with what you eat. Enjoy every ingredient or meal with lots of creativity. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more healthy, easy, simple recipes. Have a fiberful day. Thank you.